Yes, my people. Um, me have to talk about this, cause boy, you know, the rest away, Jamaica go the wrong way, and Jamaica go the wrong way. And me just have to talk about this. Well, today me go down to the hospital, carry somebody, drop off somebody at the hospital, and me go around at the back for turn around. And me see a whole heap of people around at the back of the hospital, and even police. And me I say, wait, what happened around this? What? Me not to know the hospital like that, so me kind of wonder if a police carry dead man or something around and people are crowded or something. And come to find out, around the side which part the people with mental issue go to. And me I say, so much people, whole heap of people. And even police them bring um, prisoners or inmate or whatever. Because people in a prison definitely will have mental issue because of the stress. Because we all know what cause stress. Incarceration will, money issue will, love affair will, smoke certain type of things will. Yes, me I say, and all these things. So, if you see all them people around them, I say, wait, Jamaica have a problem. Jamaica have a problem. And you look back now, you say, boy, you look back and you say, when you drive through the town, the man drive down the street, you see so many people. But then I call mad people in Jamaica. And I look back and I say to myself, boy, John, no. Why so much? And you know where I come from? It's so hard in Jamaica. And for who not out there for really see what happen. Me as a person, I just love to observe. And you see, Jamaica is so hard for some people. For some people, it's good. And if I remember, I will get into that and show you why it's good for some people. But right now, I talk about how hard it is for some people. And it's so hard where people, one more straw broke a donkey back. Cause can you imagine? You can't find a job. You can't find a job. And you have someone, you have a lover, a female, and you can't find a job. And the next thing you find out, say your female have another man because what? She not go stay hungry with you, so she find somebody else. Boop, that click you over the edge, you end up down at the hospital. I get mental care. You know? You're losing your job and can't pay your rent and can't take care of your kids and can't do this. Kick you over the edge. So you see, Jamaica will need many more big mental institute facilities. It are gonna need many more. But when them are build them, they need to build them more private. Cause you see them now create anything for the people them. I may listen to the radio today, I may hear the people them talk about the youth them I drink a whole of liquor and them a smoke a whole of this and them a smoke a whole of that. But listen, you see them now look into one thing, cause I don't think I hear one person talk about why the youth them probably do that. Some people try to hide from reality. And better than drinking liquor to rot and hide from reality than face the reality and mad out. I pick up some gun and just do something. Cause right now this country is so tough. It's tough. JPS, I take money from your light bill. I pay for people a thief light bill. And they go right back to being how tough the country is. They're not creating any jobs. So these people can get jobs and pay them light bill. Them have a thief light. You them now want face reality, them have to smoke a weed as early in the morning they start smoking weed and they start drinking liquor. I hide from reality. Me not say them for do it. But you can't understand until you understand. You can't understand why the females them go out, they go get one whole heap of man. Some of them don't need to do it. I don't think none of them should do it, but we don't know where another person go through. Maybe she can't take it no more. She say, yo, She have to go against our rules and our principle. So it get rough pan you now, you might think say, yo, me go sell a little bit of weed. And then when you go on the road, you go say I go St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland go buy some weed. And when you see all these police and soldiers on the road, you say, Jesus Christ, me now go make it back with the weed. So you sit down and you stress out and you end up down at the mental place right there. So can not even look at weed you can't sell. Not to say that I agree with it, but me I show you how tough it is in a Jamaica land. So while these politicians have all these people are stifle people and they're not creating any job, they're creating mental patients. They have a man them in a prison. And you want to tell me say they couldn't give the man them some work in a prison for occupy them mind, have schools in there. You know how much jobs them can give the people them for doing a prison? Them create mental people in there. Because you don't have nothing for occupy your mind. And no found to understand this thing here over the lockdown period. You see that lockdown where we go under, whole heap of people could not handle it. It's rough on them for being locked down. So imagine a person locked down by force in a prison without nothing to do all day long for just look around and try to keep him head above water. You have to fight to keep your head above water. Or else you're going to end up down in a mental place. So this is what we can say to Jamaica. They need to build whole heap more facility if they now will create more jobs and create more opportunity and more entertainment for the youth them. When I say youth, I mean female, everybody. Young people. We need entertainment. Why all the entertainment they are overseas somewhere? Why no entertainment in Jamaica for the people them? I watch a program on TV and from way back when Martin Luther King was a little boy. Martin Luther King he mentioned some years ago the place where them where them have swimming pool and stuff like that. Them have places like YMCA and them have the recreation center and stuff like that in America where kids get to enjoy. Them have do this from way back. And I know we don't have that yet. And so far behind with it. Nothing bold couldn't catch up. You see how every country are doing? No entertainment. Them have a place called Dembe Showground where it just sit down there right through the year. It just sit down one big old place. Whoever don't know Dembe, it's a place in Clarendon where they keep independent agricultural show. That place sit down right through the year. You want them to say they couldn't set up a place where people come from all over the country and get for rides and stuff like that, and big ride. You have a thing in America where they call it fair. And people should know about these things. The fair where they have all these big old merry-go-round and big old thing up in the area spin over and every type of ride they can think of. And these things move all around the country. They have many of them will go from city to city and they keep it for like a week or two. And you want them to say not even one Jamaica can get where sit down at them showground. You pull it up, they move it round pan trailer truck and stuff like that. They can pull it up. You want them to say not even one of that we can have at Jamaica? So only people are going to enjoy these things if people will travel. The government should shame itself because if you have, look how much people are trying to leave Jamaica. Look how much people already left. If you have an apartment, it's two apartments sitting right close to each other. And you say everybody move out of this apartment and go to that other apartment. You don't think the apartment manager should look into that and wonder why? At least him shouldn't even wonder why. He must know why people move out and go to the other apartment. So if everybody try to leave Jamaica, what wrong? Something is wrong. Something is wrong, people, if everybody want to run left this country. The only people who know want to run are people who are thief up their money and the people who are making whole lot of money. And them now want to run. Because they can travel, go buy where they need to buy and come back now to Jamaica. Where them can have all these friends in the high places. Them now waiting on line, they make phone call. Them don't have to go Western Union and they make phone call. them pick up money come at them yard. Those are the people that want to run. Because them slack. Enough of them slack, and them can have them slack ways at Jamaica, but them can't do it a foreign country. Those are the people that want to run. But you see people them where suffer, them want to run. Because our government a suffer way. When you drive on all day long, all you see is mad people. Why you think the people them are mad out? It's rough. Rough. But people, I just pray, hope and pray one day someone good will take this country and run it. And run it the right way. And I hope them don't kill him. Because Jamaican people now have no love no more. So them don't even know when somebody care. Because some people actually feel like this government care. Some people kill a dead, same care. And they not do nothing for them. Nobody in Jamaica seem like they care no more. I may teach you something. Just watch the government and you know the people them. If the government them a thief, the people them start on thief. And people don't feel like I'm saying everyone. No. But just watch the government and you know the people. The government has scammed the shit out of we. And enough of we has scammed the shit out of other people. If you have someone to come do a work right now, them probably trick you out of your money. So, these are the things we are going. So, as I always say, people, just, and when me there say before it slip my mind, the thing about yeah man. So I just hope one day someone good will run this country. And when I said before, I hope then I kill him. Cause we not used to love no more. If you show somebody some love right now, them wonder where you up to at Jamaica. Them not used to that no more. Just drive around and look at the dog them in Jamaica. Just drive around and take a look at the dog them in Jamaica. So the dog them full of mange. Just look. Just start notice. If you don't notice, just look at the dog them. Me growing up, remember my daddy used to pick off ticks off of the dog them, love the dog them, bathe them and all them stuff there. Look upon the dog them at Jamaica now. Yes, some dog them have no ear upon them. And the people then see dog them a scratch. And I feed them dog and see the dog them a scratch. And then can't find it themselves. If you ever look a bit of love for the dog and say, yo, the dog can't go to the pharmacy go buy something for himself. Make me buy something and beat off the dog. It not cost no more than you can buy some gas oil and beat off the dog. You can buy something for $1,000 and beat off the dog. Me do this. Me buy it. That's why I know the price I think. $1,000 you buy and you use it. You can beat off many dog with that one look buckle. People them not do that no more. Them have them dog a man best friend. Cause a dog will put him life on a line to protect you. At night time when him a bark, when him see criminal, a man a bark, a criminal will shoot him. Him put him life on the line. But Jamaican, we not see that no more. We not see dog no more. We not care about them. We just throw it where we have I eat and give them. That's it. I love we not have for a dog no more. No. But that's another story. Because we just not have love again. So who to imagine when a good person come run this country? What would happen? But people, I just that more speak pan, because me just have to speak my mind. Set my mind free. But that's what I can say. They need a bigger facility and a more private facility for the mental issue people them. And let's continue to pray for this country. Let's continue to pray. And God bless. God bless.